Welcome to the Age Check Certification Scheme. This short video provides an introduction to the scheme and how it works. The video has subtitles which can be translated into your own language. The scheme provides impartial, credible, trusted certification of the age verification practices for providers of any age-restricted products, content or services being sold anywhere, online or offline. Certification is in accordance with international standards ISO 17065. Our mission is to help prevent harm to children and nuisance caused by use by preventing access to age-restricted products. There are hundreds of age-restricted products, content or services offered to consumers throughout the world. There could be retail products like liquor, knives, tobacco, solvents, vaping or guns. There could be in entertainment, cinema, pornography, lap dancing, hypnotism and publications. There are age restrictions for body modification such as tattoos, tanning, piercing, whiter teeth or massage. Or there could be in gambling, gaming or lotteries. The Age Check certification scheme covers them all and many more. But the consequences of failing to implement effective age check practices can be substantial. Stores can be closed, licenses can be revoked, staff can be arrested, fines can be huge. Implementing age check practices, enforcing and monitoring them is essential to avoid action by law enforcement officers. The Age Check certification scheme provides you with reassurance, peace of mind, and independently validated evidence of your positive approach to prevented underage access. Avoid licensing action, avoid revenue loss, avoid fines, avoid arrests. Anyone that supplies age-restricted products, content or services anywhere in the world can apply for certification. Although the rules differ from state to state, country to country, the age check principles remain the same. We accept direct applications from companies like superstores, bar chains, gambling operators or many others. Your trade association may operate industry-specific rules under our scheme offering discounted access for members. Responsible manufacturers of age-restricted products may offer their retail partners access to the scheme. Your local area may have access to sponsored programs or government-backed incentives. You may have specific licensing conditions requiring you to undertake test purchasing or age check procedures. You may be facing action by law enforcement officers that want to show your commitment to responsible age check practices. You simply need to click www.accscheme.com/apply. Applications can come from very local businesses, major multinational chains, or purely online content providers. Our country specialist certification officers will explore with you what types of test purchasing or process monitoring would be appropriate for your type of business. We start with 3 simple principles. How do you create an expectation that your young customers will be challenged for ID through notices, warnings, or your age check practices? How do you prepare for young customers attempting to buy your age-restricted products, content, or services through implementing systems, staff training, or operating CCTV? How do you check that your precautions are working in practice through regular reviews, monitoring, and test purchasing? Every client is different, and we agree certification monitoring from a menu of options. We do not have predetermined monitoring levels, as rules differ between regulators. Our monitoring menu falls into 6 categories, and we recommend to clients that they choose options from all 6 across their business activities. We can undertake monitoring visits to all of your domains or outlets. This can include test purchasing, access controls, warning notices, and product displays. You could be asked to upload monitoring evidence to our eCert certification management system, such as photographs of warning notices, evidence of verification checks, or copies of records. We could undertake random monitoring of your data safeguards, subcontractor commitments, or refusal records. We can keep your policies under review, checking your age verification policy, age check practice statements, or consent controls. We could review your staff training, the quality of the content, whether it is up to date, and whether it is being regularly refreshed. And we can check your age verification processes, trust capabilities, management reviews, and quality control. Every monitoring check that we do results in a certificate of conformity, or a notification of non-conformity if things don't go well, held on our eCert certification management system. In time, you will build up a comprehensive map of compliance over your entire estate of stores, outlets, or domains. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We've worked with hundreds of companies, manufacturers and trade associations to improve age check practices. We'd be delighted to work with you as well. Internationally recognised certification can provide you reassurance, peace of mind and evidence of your commitment to robust age verification. Visit our website www.accscheme.com to learn more about us and what we can do for you.